Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the bouncer at the digital club, firewalls and your network's security. Hey network adventurers! Your friend here, back for another Network Academy Fun session. Today, we're diving into something super cool and super important for your network. Security. And we're going to meet the unsung hero, the ultimate gatekeeper, the asterisk bouncer of your digital club, the firewall. Get ready to keep the party safe. So, imagine your home network, or even a big data center, as this super exclusive, super happening club. It's got all the cool apps, servers, and data dancing around. People, or data packets, are always trying to get in and out, enjoying the vibes. But just like any good club, you can't just let anyone waltz in, right? We need someone to check IDs, keep the peace, and make sure only the good times roll. Enter our star of the show, the firewall. In the simplest terms, a firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Think of it as that super vigilant bouncer standing at the door of your digital club, deciding who gets in, who gets out, and what shenanigans are allowed inside. No bad vibes on our dance floor. So how does this bouncer decide? It doesn't just randomly point fingers. Our firewall works using a set of rules, often called access control lists, ACLs. It's like a VIP guest list and a naughty list combined. Is this packet coming from a trusted source? Is it trying to go to an allowed destination? Is it speaking the right language? Port. If it doesn't meet the rules, bam! Denied entry. Good packets? Welcome to the party. Bad packets? You can't sit with us. Single quote. Not all bouncers are created equal. We've got simple ones, like basic packet filters that just look at the envelope, source, destination, IP, port. Then there are stateful firewalls. They're like bouncers who remember if you were already inside and are just stepping out for a breath of fresh air. And then there are fancy next-gen firewalls that can even tell what application you're trying to use. Not just the port. Super smart security. Why all this fuss? Because the internet can be a wild place. There are cyber baddies trying to sneak in, steal data, mess things up, or just crash the party. Our firewall is our first line of defense against all sorts of digital mischief, malware, unauthorized access, denial of service attacks. It's like having a security guard that never sleeps, making sure your digital club stays safe, sound, and super fun. Where do you find these awesome firewalls? Everywhere. Your home Wi-Fi router usually has a basic firewall built in. Your computer probably has a software firewall, like Windows Defender Firewall. And in big data centers? Oh boy, they have dedicated, super powerful firewall appliances standing guard, sometimes in layers. They're like the digital bodyguards protecting all the valuable secrets and services. Phew, we've met the firewall, our awesome digital bouncer. We learned it's a rule-based gatekeeper for our network, keeping the bad stuff out and letting the good stuff flow. Understanding firewalls is a huge step in securing any network, big or small. What's next for our journey? Maybe we'll dive into how to write those bouncer rules. Stay tuned, keep learning, and keep securing those networks. You got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.